Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor. I am Sanjay. We are learning Laravel 8 framework tutorial. This is our part number 112. Inside this video, we will see that how many ways we have available to find Laravel version. So before watching this video guys, I need that think for a second and you will decide that how many ways actually you know to find Laravel version. Because at the end of this video you will know all possible ways. For this video we have an article over this blogging website. Click on articles, click here inside Laravel 8. Next we need to click on this search icon, and if I type Laravel version, press enter. Now you will see that here we have an article. Now if I click on this article link, this article will give you the complete detail. So first of all, the question comes in our mind is that why actually we need to know Laravel version. It's because let's say that you are working inside a Laravel application, and if you don't know about its version, so how can we install the composer packages? Because as we know that while installation of composer packages, the composer package is compatible or not, it will be decided by Laravel application version. So we need to know Laravel version while working with any Laravel application. So inside this article you will find all complete detail. To use all the possible methods to find Laravel version, here we have a setup. You can open your own existing application. Now if I back to browser, scroll down, so this is all about installation of fresh application. Now here we have a section that is methods to find Laravel version. So total number of methods we have available equals to 4. By the help of all these 4 methods, actually we can know all about Laravel version. These methods are: first, by using Artisan command; second, by using composer.json file; third, by using global helper function; and fourth, by using global application helper file. So first of all, let's see in action that how can we use Artisan command to find Laravel version. So here, this is my dummy setup which I have opened into my VS Code editor. The same application setup I have opened inside this terminal. So simply if I type PHP Artisan -- version, this is the first way to find application version by using PHP Artisan command. So here PHP Artisan -- version, if I press enter, now as we can see that the Laravel framework version is 8.42.1. Now the second alternative way inside this Artisan command is that PHP Artisan and simply type capital V. If I press enter, now as we can see that same application version. So by using Artisan command we have two options. Either we can use -- version, or in alternative way -V. If I back to browser, so in the first method by using Artisan command, as we can see each thing clearly explained inside this article. Next, the second method available by using composer.json file. So first, where we can find this composer.json file. So this composer.json file we can find inside at application root. So this is all about the setup. Inside this setup, as we can see, we have a file called composer.json. So if I open this file, and inside this require object, here we have require object. Inside this require object we have a property called Laravel /framework, and inside this property we have the value, and this is the Laravel framework version. This is all about the second method to find Laravel version. If I back to browser, now next we have by using global helper function. So how to use that? If I back to setup, go inside this routes.php file, means routes folder, web.php file, and let's create a route something route using get request type, and we are going to create a route. Inside that route actually we will call our global helper function and see that how can we find Laravel application version. So simply the route name is something get-version. Let's define a closure block for this route, and inside this simply let's say version equals to, and we have the app function available, which is a global helper function, and by the help of that we will call a version method. And simply if I use the dd method, means dd function, which is equals to dump and die, and inside this if I will pass version, save all these changes, go inside this terminal, let's start development server. So PHP Artisan serve, press enter, it will start our application development server. And what I will do, simply I will open this link into browser, and one more thing, if I will copy this route, go to browser. Now here we can see that this is application landing page, and if I will type that route called get-version, press enter, and as you can see that by using global helper function we can know all about Laravel application version. So this is the successful third method of this listing. Now next we have by using global application helper file. So in this method we have a file. Inside that file actually in the static way the Laravel framework version mentioned. If I scroll down, so here we have by using global application helper file, so we need to find application.php. so where we can find this file? This file you can find at this given path called vendor Laravel framework src eliminate foundation. If I go inside folder structure, so first we need to go inside vendor, click on vendor. Next we need to go inside Laravel. So inside this vendor we need to find Laravel, then framework src eliminate. Next we need to go inside foundation, and here you can see that we have application.php file. So simply if I open this file into any of the editor, or simply this project already has been opened into my VS Code editor, so what I will do, go inside this vendor folder. Next we need to go inside Laravel folder. Next we need to go inside framework src. After src we need to go inside eliminate. So I think automatically inside framework we have only a single folder, that is src. Inside src we have eliminate. So inside eliminate we have foundation folder, and inside this foundation we have application.php. This is application helper file. Now if I scroll down, here we can see that we have a constant variable called version where we have the Laravel application version. So successfully guys, these are the possible ways by the help of that we can find easily all about Laravel application version. Again I am saying, just think that when you are going to install any composer package or when you are going to update any package, so before that you need to know all about PHP version as well as Laravel application version, because while installation of any package, removal, updation means any operation, you need to know all about application version so that you can check all about compatibility of that package. So these are the ways guys by following which we can find Laravel application version. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.